You can take the door to your education anywhere. You can learn anywhere. Like, subscribe, and share Math with McMurdo. Unit 5, Study Guide, Problem 2. Ariana is putting a fence around the perimeter of her garden. The perimeter of her garden is 198 feet. Each section of the fence is 6 foot long and costs $16. What is the cost to build the fence around her garden? So starting out, let's look at what we have here. I always like to draw a picture. And we know the perimeter is 198 feet. So the distance around it is 198 feet. We could draw a picture and divide each section into 6 foot long. But the way we would do it, we want to find the money it's going to cost if we have 198 feet. But then we have to divide that into 6 foot sections, because each 6 foot section costs $16. And that would tell us the cost of how to pay for her garden. So if we know there's 198 feet total, and we break it into 6 foot sections, so we're dividing by 6, not 16. Dividing by 6, and then multiplying by 16, 198 foot section, we take each section, or we take the whole thing divided into sections of 6, and then each one of those sections of 6 costs $16. So we have division, we have multiplication. Since we work from left to right, we're going to start with the division. So if I have 198 feet, and I'm dividing that by 16, it's not going to go into the hundreds place, so I'm going to look into the tens place and the ones place. So I'm going to have less than 100 sections. 16 goes into 19 one time. Subtract to get 3, bring down the 8. So now I need to see how many times 16. Why am I dividing by 16 again? Sorry. Stay with me, people. I'm messing it up. I need to divide 198 by 6, not 16. 198 divided by 6. Still, I'm going to have a 2-digit answer, a number in the tens place, a number in the ones place. 6 goes into 19 3 times. Bring down my ones place. 6 goes into 18 3 times.
We are testing the PA system. This is another test of the PA system in the large gym. This is only a test.
All right, so we're going to have 33 sections of fence. I need to multiply each of those sections by $16 because each section costs $16. So we got some room over here. So let's do 33 times 16. 6 times 3 is 18. That's 18 ones, or 8 ones and 1 10. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. I'm going to go to the tens place now. So 1 times 3 ones is 3. 1 times 3 1 is 3. I'm going to add 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5. So if I did that right, it's going to cost them $528 to get the 33 sections of the fence. So $528 to put the fence around the garden.